The cost of childcare in the United States has reached astronomical levels, placing an immense burden on families, particularly single parents. For many, the price of childcare rivals that of rent or a mortgage, creating a significant financial strain. This financial pressure often forces parents, especially single mothers, to make difficult choices between working and providing care for their children. When parents cannot afford childcare, they may be forced to leave the workforce, impacting their career trajectory and earning potential. This, in turn, contributes to the gender pay gap and reinforces economic inequalities. Access to quality childcare provides children with crucial early learning opportunities, preparing them for future success in school and beyond. Without access to these programs, children may fall behind their peers, exacerbating existing inequalities. Despite the demanding nature of their work, childcare professionals often earn poverty-level wages, making it difficult to attract and retain qualified individuals. This shortage of qualified childcare providers further drives up costs. As more families require childcare services, the limited supply drives up prices. These factors combine to create a childcare crisis that requires urgent attention. For single parents, the challenge of affording childcare is often magnified. Balancing work and parenting without support can be incredibly difficult. They must navigate a complex system of subsidies and resources. The financial strain is particularly acute for single mothers. They often earn less, making it harder to afford quality childcare. This pressure forces difficult choices like working multiple jobs. Lack of affordable childcare perpetuates a cycle of poverty. The constant worry and difficulty of finding reliable care takes a toll. State subsidy programs offer a crucial lifeline for low-income families struggling to afford childcare. These programs provide financial assistance to help families pay for childcare, enabling parents to work or pursue education. The Childcare and Development Block Grant, or CCDBG, is a federal program that provides funding to states for childcare subsidies. This program supports low-income families and ensures access to quality childcare. States have flexibility in administering CCDBG programs but must follow federal guidelines. The CCDBG ensures low-income families have access to safe, affordable, and nurturing childcare environments. Head Start is a federally funded program providing early childhood education, health, nutrition, and parent involvement services to low-income families. It prepares children for success in school and beyond. Head Start centers offer a nurturing environment for cognitive, social, and emotional development. The program supports families with parenting education and healthcare resources. Early Head Start serves pregnant women and families with infants and toddlers. It promotes healthy prenatal development and early childhood growth. Some employers offer workplace benefits that can help employees manage childcare costs. Dependent care. Flexible spending accounts, or FSAs, allow employees to set aside pre-tax dollars to pay for eligible childcare expenses. This can reduce an employee's taxable income and lower their overall childcare costs. Employer-sponsored childcare centers or subsidies can also provide valuable support for working parents. These benefits can make a significant difference in a family's budget and can help to attract and retain valuable employees. The Child and Dependent Care Tax Credit is a federal tax credit that can help families offset the cost of childcare. Eligible families can claim a credit for a portion of their childcare expenses, reducing their tax liability. The amount of the credit depends on the family's income and the amount of childcare expenses incurred. Utilizing these benefits and credits can make a significant difference in a family's financial well-being. Family childcare homes offer a more affordable childcare option compared to traditional daycare centers. These homes provide care for a smaller group of children in a home-like setting. Family childcare providers may offer flexible hours and personalized care, which can be appealing to some families. Local nonprofits often offer subsidized childcare programs or resources for low-income families. These programs may provide sliding-scale fees based on family income, making childcare more accessible to those in need. Community-based childcare centers often provide affordable childcare options for families. These centers may be run by religious organizations, community groups, or local governments. Exploring different childcare options and researching local resources can help families find affordable and quality care. Childcare Aware is a national organization that provides information and resources on childcare. Their website offers a childcare finder tool to help families locate childcare providers in their area. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, or HHS, offers information on childcare subsidy programs and other resources for families. Care.com offers scholarships for childcare to eligible families. United Way's 211 service connects families with local resources, including childcare assistance programs. Dialing 211 can provide families with information on available resources in their community. Many resources and support systems are available to help single parents navigate the challenges of childcare costs. By utilizing available resources and support, you can provide your children with quality care while pursuing your educational and career goals.